ELBW means enjoy life and be wise. So guys, those who are watching this channel, please subscribe ELBW, enjoy life and be wise. And please, now we are presenting the biggest reaction channel in the world. And he is
Hi friends, we come back again, and
Yes.
this is not the biggest reaction channel. We love to react, and we
Yes.
both are here to react, entertain, and happily lead the song,
Song.
whatever you just want to like. That's why we are here, and you are the only one. That's why we are just going to watch that.
Watch
out.
that.
Okay, without wasting any time, let's
Start.
Nummer 2. Think about things.
Think about
Dan
things.
och Olga.
This is the song. Think,
Think
about
about
things.
What?
Think about
About
things.
things.
These things.
It's really
Don't
new
know.
thing.
Till now we don't know anything about that song. That's why we are just make the fun. But in our inner heart we respect that song,
Yeah.
and we respect everybody's culture, everyone culture in the
Yeah,
world,
we
because
respect.
culture is the only part where every countries are depending on,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
culture is the main part, I think so. So let's check it out how much cultural are in this
Yeah.
program. But one more thing, look at that,
Look at what.
so many audiences are there,
Yes,
man.
many audience watching Eurovision.
And this Eurovision song,
Yes, Eurovision.
My
2020, the
God,
First time we were watching
this
in
Eu-
Ireland. And
this
it's-
not look like Eurovision, this different kind of presentation, man.
Yeah, I know, but it's real.
Every time whenever I watch Eurovision song, this all over recorded in a studio.
Wow.
Am I right?
Yeah, it's first time recorded
In concert,
live.
in
Yes.
live.
Yes.
Hats off. In start.
The
Start.
first. What?
What?
I think it's another.
He or she.
I think he.
He. And look at that hair. I am watching him first time and really surprised. It's look like spiritual.
I
He
guess so.
spiritual man, and he is just a monk. Look like that. Long haircut and style is so cool, and the cool, calm voice. I must have to repeat the start word because we just listen the word, and
Word,
it's
and
it surplus us
Surprise
from the
are from the bottom of our heart.
yes, just
Baby, I can't wait to know. Believe me,
wow.
This
Believe
guy,
in me.
this guy got some amazing new kind of lyrics. I guess so. So
Cool voice.
cool voice.
Yes.
always be there. So
Wow! Man, what a style this is! It's just finish a sentence and suddenly stop, and black screen, and
And
the
it's
piano come.
New thing.
New style this
New
is.
style.
Wow.
I have to really appreciate this kind
Yeah.
of performance.
Yeah. And the chilling, the background chill, everyone just chilling. Wow!
just-
Wow!
They just enjoy.
They
the
just enjoyed.
performance.
That means this guy is very much famous in Ireland, I think. And you also know that guy, and you also fan of that guy.
Yeah.
Then please comment us so other song, and we are ready to watch them out one by one, everything, because we are here to nourish the culture.
Yeah.
What type of instrument these are?
New type, I guess.
And
See,
color bulb
I think
makes
it's
that crazy.
EDM.
EDM machine. EDM means
electronic dance music, and I guess so.
oh,
So-
this is wait. This is a recent type of modern type of musical instrument,
instrument.
and it's no. Look at that. This is harmonium type of piano.
It's not modern, I guess so, because
Oh, this
looks
maybe
so giant.
Oh,
That's why
okay.
I feel it's
It's
great
also
sound.
like guitar. Look at that. There is a long stand.
Synthesizer, I guess.
Synthesizer.
Ah,
Okay, let's check it out. Wow.
it's guitar.
It's guitar time, man. And look at
Guitar
that.
and piano at the same time.
Everything is there. Look at that. This beatbox also there. And this you can
drum pad,
everything. And guitar, you can produce guitar voice, piano voice, drum voice, and beatbox. Every single
kind of
music is producing from that.
Yeah.
One more thing maybe happened. There is an artificial one. This is not the original, and music also going in background.
একটু কথা বলবো, একটা কথা বলবো।
আচ্ছা, কেটে দেওয়া যাবে।
এগুলো তো কাটবো কেন বলো তো? 11 মিনিট হয়ে গেছে, 30 সেকেন্ড মাত্র ক্রস করেছি দাদা। এরকম করে হয় না রিঅ্যাকশন।
হবে আমি বলছি
ঠিক আছে হবে, এগুলো কেটে দেবো, এই কথাগুলো বলছি এগুলো কেটে দেবো।
কেটে দেবি,
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি তুমি কি
কিন্তু
বলছো।
আমি দেব পুরোটাই, কারণ আমি জানি এটা পডকাস্ট টাইপের হচ্ছে
আরে না
আর
আমি
মানুষ
জানি
দেখবে।
30 সেকেন্ডটা একটু জিনিসটা ঢুকি, আমিও বলবো অবশ্যই বলবো, জিনিসটা ঢুকি না তুমি এটা 10 মিনিট তুমি দেখো, 11 মিনিট হয়ে গেছে,
বেশি হয়ে গেছে নাকি?
একটু বেশি হয়ে অত বিশ্লেষণ করতে হবে, লোকটা দেখবে গানটা, যদি আমরা বেশি বলি না, সত্যি তাই আমি মন থেকে বলছি,
আচ্ছা
মানে ভালো করতে গিয়ে আবার খারাপ না হয়ে যায়, ওই জন্য ঠিক আছে।
কিন্তু আমার মনে হচ্ছে আরো কিছু বলার আছে। এই যে এর দেখ মানুষের মাথা চিহ্ন নিয়ে এসছে, এগুলো কিরকম ক্রেজিনেস।
তুমি
আউটফিট তিনজনেরই সেম।
10 থেকে 20 সেকেন্ড দেখি, তারপরে বলি,
আচ্ছা
তারপরে বলি, অনেকক্ষণ
আচ্ছা,
গায়ে
এবার স্টার্ট করে ফেলি, এবার
10
স্টার্ট।
থেকে 20 সেকেন্ড দেখি।
Though I know I love you, I find it hard to see how you feel about me.
This guy making new kind of music, I guess so, because
Really, this is a best kind of production I am watching, and the choreography, design,
Yes.
and one more thing, everyone's t-shirt are same, and
everyone t-shirt got same kind of face,
no,
same kind, different kind of face,
but different, same kind of color.
yeah, there is background voice,
Yes.
vocalist, and they are weird type of musical instrument.
I love that instrument,
Yeah,
really.
I
And if I wish I can have that, but
Yes.
we can't play
But
this.
we can purchase this kind of instrument because
And this
it's
costly
so
maybe.
expensive and costly.
If you purchase this one, then I think we can't play
Play.
that, because a single guitar a single guitar needs so much talent to
So
play
much
it.
talent, man. It's
And
too-
guitar, piano, everything is just in a single instrument. That means you have to perform, you have to practice so hard beyond our thought.
and we gonna die
With that practice.
So
Really.
without further
Okay, let's
watch.
start.
Cause I don't understand you. Oh, you are yet to learn how to speak.
Wow, I like that instrument.
I will never forget.
I'm never forget it. Wow.
Wow.
New type
New
of
type, man.
this is a new type of really.
Music, man.
Cause even though I didn't know you yet, we were bound together then and forever.
1 minute. There is a two guys are chorusing and one front guy. He's just producing that song,
Yeah,
singing the song, and the three
background,
musicians.
background vocal artist. they
One
call
more
it.
thing.
Yeah.
You have followed that? There is only 3 music artists.
Yes.
And this from these 3 instrument, all music are coming.
Yeah. 3 music instrument, and I guess this is EDM. Whoa!
Please pause it.
Please, we have to do
We
it.
have to do it. We have to do it.
Let's do it. It's like that. Okay. Let's do it.
Not more than that, because we are not dancer here.
What do you think about things? Believe it. I will always be there, so
Wait, what type of music? Wow. This is also flute, man.
Man, what?
What a instrument.
What?
Our life became
I
successful.
just first time watching this video.
Our life became successful to watch that.
How?
Really,
How this kind of music instrument they are playing? They are just changing their style of music.
This is a drum, this is a piano, this is a guitar, this is a violin, this is a
I
flute. This
just shocked,
Why?
man. How? Man, how?
Can I replay that one? Please replay.
Of course, I have to replay it. It's digestically changing their
I
style.
didn't know you yet. We were bound together then and forever, and I could never let you go. Baby, I can't wait to know. What do you think about things? Believe me, I will always be there, so you can tell me anything and I'll listen.
Why they came to backside and why they are showing their hip. Maybe this hip dance. Yes. Okay, let's
Don't do vulgar things.
uncensored. This
Yes.
totally uncensored. Okay,
Uncensored.
let's play, please. Wow.
When we are together, there isn't anywhere that I would rather be. Three birds of a
Wow. This dance is once again I have to just start.
birds of a feather. I just hope you enjoy our company. It's been some time and know how to define. As if the stars have started to
Man,
bound together now and forever. And
they are here just waving with air, blowing air, and it looks really awesome.
I will never let you go, baby. I can't wait to know. What do you think about me?
Wow! Look at their dance. Look at the dance. It's awesome to see this kind of stuff, man. Hats off to the dance, man. He's shocked. He totally shocked.
Totally shocked, really. How they're just performing in this way? How they're just performing in this way? We can't
They
believe
got
that.
so much energy. And
Yes.
First they start slowly. Now they are just doing new stuff.
একটা কথা বলি,
Yeah.
হঠাৎ করে মাথায় একটা জিনিস ক্র্যাক করলো। কি ওর ফোন করার কারণটা কি?
কি?
ও ভিডিওটা দেখেছে বললো না, ভিডিওতে ওর নামটা একবার বলা হয়নি আমার, যে ও আমাকে যোগাযোগ করে দিয়েছে, ফোন ই করে দিয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ, তাও ঠিক। এটা আমি জানতাম না, এটা আমি জানতে পারলাম।
মানে ও ও আমার এই ফোন নাম্বারটা নাকি সাজেস্ট করেছিল।
ওহো ওহো, হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু এর সাথে ভিডিও সম্পর্ক নেই গো, তাও ঠিক। তুমি কথা বলেছিলে তার সাথে, ওর সাথে?
কার সাথে?
ওর সাথে গিয়ে কথা বলা হয়েছিল তখন?
হ্যাঁ, কথা বলেছি, করেছি, কত কথা হয়েছে।
এটা একটু বেশি হয়ে গেল, মানে
না, আমি ভিডিওটা অভ্রতাকে নিয়ে বানিয়েছি না।
ও, তাহলে তো তোমাকে নিয়ে সমস্যা না, তাহলে অবরোধাকে নিয়ে সমস্যা।
অভ্রতাকে নিয়ে সমস্যা না, ভিডিওটা
এটা ওকে কেন নিয়ে বানালে না?
না, হ্যাঁ, ও ভিডিওটাতে পুরো অভ্রতাকে নিয়ে করেছি,
কেন?
কিন্তু ওকে নিয়ে ওকে কেন একবারও বলিনি।
একবারও বলিনি। হ্যাঁ, আমাকে নিয়ে কেন বানালে না, আমাকে নিয়ে কেন বললে না?
হ্যাঁ।
আমি তোমাকে নিয়ে যোগাযোগ করালাম এই জন্য দাদা। আমি দেখেছি, আমি জীবনে যতবারই ধরো এমনি জাস্ট কথা বলেছি, ধরো কারো সাজেশন বা কিছু একটা ব্যাপার, সে কাউন্টার অ্যাটাক করেছে এই ব্যাপার নিয়ে, এইটুকু চিন্তার জন্য। ছোট্ট জিনিস, তুই খালি জাস্ট একটু জেনেছিলে যে কি কোথায় মনে হয় লোকেশনটা রয়েছে, তাই না, বা কি ব্যাপার, এগুলো না ভাববে না, ওদের স্বভাব ওরকম। এটা তোমার ইকে আঘাত দিল, বিবেককে, এমনি ইচ্ছা করে। ওর কোনো যায় আসে না ওতে, বুঝতে পারলে মেন ব্যাপারটা হলো। আর যে ভদ্র মানুষ সে এরকম বলবে না, বললে অনির্বাণ ভালো হয়েছে ভিডিওটা, আমি থাকলে ভালো হতো, এরকম একটা কিছু ইয়ার্কি ফেরকি মারতো, কিন্তু সে এরকম ভাবে বললো। সে ম্যাচিওর মানুষ, আমি জানি সে এরকম
ঠিক আছে চল চল
চলো স্টাক হওয়ানো সব জিনিসপত্র, এটা তোমার জীবনের নেক্সট চ্যাপ্টারে আসছে, ওই জন্য এটা ভালো কিছু আসছে। আর আমি বলবো না এখন এই কটার দিনে আবার কোনো ইভেন্টে যাও, 1 লাখ 1 লাখ হয়ে যাক, লেবরনটা পেয়ে যাও, তারপর দেখা যাচ্ছে।
তাহলে অনেক সমস্যার সমাধান হবে।
অবশ্যই I guess so। আর অবদার সাথে কথা বললো বেশি, কিন্তু লোকজন বুঝে।
এর সঙ্গে একটু কথা বলে
বলো, অবশ্যই।
মানিয়ে নিতে হবে, না হলে
হ্যাঁ।
এ যদি এরকম রাগ করে থাকে মুশকিল।
এ রাগ করে নিত তোমার উপর, এ জাস্ট তোমাকে খোঁচা দিল, রাগ করেনি। রাগ করলে তুমি ওর সাথে ফোন করে কথা বলতো নাকি?
তা ঠিক, রাগ করলে কথা বলতাম,
কথা
রাগ
বলতাম।
করেনি,
রাগ করেনি, কিন্তু
কিন্তু
অভিমান হয়েছে।
অভিমান হয়েছে।
অভিমানের আগের মধ্যে পার্থক্য নেই।
আচ্ছা
রাগ করেনি, আমার ভুলে যাবে, রাগ মানুষ করে রাখে না একটা মানুষের সবসময়, অসম্ভব থাকা সবসময়। চলো
always be there, so you can tell me anything and I'll listen. I might be
It's unique, man. They just
Really
looking
great
there
performance
and
and their
there and
group performance is
how
called.
he
Wow.
do this kind of stuff. I want to know.
Really great.
This guy is insane, man. I know what to say about them. Let's watch.
don't know what to say, but at least I'll
Just looking at facing the camera, right, left, and back, right, left, and back.
Wow.
Awesome choreograph, man.
baby, I can't wait to know. Why do you think about things? Believe me, I'll always be there, so you can tell me anything and I'll listen.
Oh man, what a performance, guys! What a performance!
Really,
New
they did it.
new kind of dancing, new kind of music. Everything is perfect, and he just rocked.
I am totally shocked because I am just watching this kind of simple but creative performance
performance.
after so long
So
days.
long time.
Don't know when I have last time watched, but because they are so perfect, they are so crazy, they are so independent,
Yeah.
and they are so beautifully group performer.
Yeah.
That's why they are just come to that level. And look at that, they just enjoying that show.
Yeah.
Musical instrument, the voice, the chorus, the dance
Everything
moves,
is
everything is perfect. And this emotional song, also
Yeah.
dance song, happy, sad, everything is mixed. That's why all the audiences are so just enlightened by that song.
Yeah, everything is perfectly placed. So thank you. So guys, those who are watching our video for the first time, then please subscribe this channel, Indian Reaction, comment down below, and also subscribe ELBW, enjoy life and be wise, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye, have a great day, and watch more Eurovision video. Thank you guys. Bye bye, peace.